ThreeSixty Innovation Spitfire 60-inch ceiling fan. You can choose from one of 3 motor finishes: black, brushed nickel and matte white, and then add your choice of blades: black, natural, walnut and whitewash. Better than ever, the Spitfire ceiling fan is the next iteration of the highly successful Spitfire range, now with more powerful cooling and reverse function for all year comfort. Cleverly crafted all-weather polymer blades offer luxury timber finishes while being durable, easy to clean, weather-resistant, as well as being safer and quieter than metal blades. At the heart of the Spitfire is an impressive high-performance motor with 166 RPMs on high. The Spitfire 2 motor has been re-engineered and is now light adaptable. With a sleek, stylish and powerful 17-watt LED light kit, your beautiful ceiling fan can also serve as a tasteful light source. Controlled by a 3-speed wall control switch as standard, which fits most common wall plates, the Spitfire can also be used with the new ThreeSixty My Smart remote control.